while going through with this screen, before coming to this place, it was like, what am I going to see? But when it comes to, because I have read many of the things in books and in my training classes and all, but this is first time I am able to visualize that how the organ look three dynamically, how and I can make out when you open the heart, bisect the heart, I can make out where the tricuspid wall, where the bicuspid wall. Because earlier to that, I have only listened, and this was two dynamics picture, right? And so this is a very, very good instrument, I would say, and very helpful to aspiring doctors, medical colleges, and as I said, that the scope is immense. But you being a marketing person, you can decide your slides when to opt and what to do. Thank you.